Hey, so I was looking for an outdoor security camera and this hit all the buttons for me. It was really easy to install. I needed to have the concrete drill bits, which I drilled into the wall. It comes with a template to install everything, which was really handy. The part that you're seeing me drill in right here is for the solar panel. So the battery is charged by the solar panel. It can also be plugged into a wall outlet as well. The cord that comes with it is pretty long, and I actually had to use some zip ties to clean it up. So after I drilled all the pilot holes and put in all the screws, the camera was attached to the garage. Next, I installed the app from the App Store, which was quick to download. The app itself is pretty easy to use, and it also has the ability to use cloud recording, or you could put in an SD card for recording of the videos and pictures that you may be taking. I liked on the camera that you can have it be right side up, or you can also invert it. It took a little bit for me to figure that out, but once again, you can turn it around. There are multiple modes on the camera for night vision and during the daytime. You use the little control panel on the right to move the camera left, right, up, down, and even for rotation. I also liked how it had an alert sensor as well to indicate if someone is coming up your driveway at night. So this was a great purchase, and I hope you guys take a look at this.